Mai Haramai, welcome to you all. Nahi hua toru wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima ono fitu waru and kani kani too. Nahi hua toru wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima ono fitu waru and kani kani too. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us with the clues today? Awesome, thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top here. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka whai, it's a banana, a banana.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a tree.
And clue tuatoru, our final clue, is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka whai, it's an aporo, an apple. We have all 3 clues. We have a banana, a panana. We have a tree, a rākau. And we have an apple, an aporo.
Oh, I think I know what song we're going to sing today. It's our song, Huarākau Is Fruit.
That's right. And in this song, you're going to get to learn each of the fruits in 3 languages. I te reo Pākehā in English, I te reo Māori, and in New Zealand Sign Language.
Would you like to sing the song with us? Yay! I'm going to count to toru, and then we're going to click our fingers and we'll go have a sing along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Huarākau is food that grows in a tree. Huarākau is fruit and it's so yummy. Huarākau is food that grows in a tree. Huarākau is fruit and it's so yummy. Aporo,
Apples,
banana,
bananas,
paramu,
plum,
hua kiwi.
kiwi fruit,
Huarākau is food that grows in a tree. Huarākau is fruit and it's so yummy. Kerepe,
grapes,
ropere,
strawberries,
pitoa,
feijoas,
pititi.
peaches,
Yum, 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 ooh, fruit get in my tongue. Yum, 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 ooh, fruit get in my tongue. Yum, 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 ooh, fruit get in my tongue. Yum, 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 get in my tongue. Ooh, Huarākau is food that grows in a tree. Huarākau is fruit and it's so yummy. Huarākau is food that grows in a tree. Huarākau is fruit and it's so yummy. Tino reka.
I loved all of those fruits.
Which one was your favourite?
Ooh, reka. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember the names of the fruits, the names of the huarākau today. Here's our first huarākau. It starts with the sound a, ap, aporo, apple.
Our second fruit starts with the sound p. Pa, banana, banana.
Our next huarākau starts with the P again, a P sound. Pa, paramu, plum.
Our next fruit starts with the sound hu, hua kiwi, kiwi fruit.
Now our next one starts with the sound K, Kerepe, grapes.
Our next one starts with the sound R. Ro, ropere, strawberry.
Our next fruit starts with the sound P. P. Pitoa, Pijoa.
And our last fruit starts with the sound P again. P. P-T-T. Peach.
Yum! Learning all those fruits has made me so hungry. See if you can practice using some of those new fruit names next time you eat them. Alright, let's go say the goodbye song together. Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Have you heard about Loopy Tunes? Apparently they're really good. Apparently if you like and subscribe down below, then you'll get notified. Yeah. I hope you're having a good time watching my mum and auntie's Loopy Tunes videos. Loopy Tunes! But yeah, apparently they're like amazing and I really want to watch them.